This latest spring snowstorm is causing problems across the Denver metro. It knocked out power, brought down trees, and even damaged cars and homes. Denver 7's Addie Guajardo shows us how the cleanup is going and what you can do to prevent these types of problems in the future.
A spring snowstorm brought down trees and branches across the Denver metro area, knocking out power and damaging vehicles on the road.
Yeah, we definitely do that.
Dane Douglas,
Awesome, thanks so much.
an arborist, woke up to a weight of work.
Extremely busy. I think my phone's ringing right now in my pocket, actually.
Denver Parks and Recreation received more than 200 calls for trees or branches in streets or the right-of-way. That doesn't even factor in downed trees on private property.
Usually these spring snowstorms, once the trees start leafing out, it puts a lot of weight on them, a lot of stress when that heavy snow comes down and it rips branches off.
This tree fell towards Downing, just south of Washington Park.
Probably 30 feet, as you can see the cars have run over it all day.
Other homeowners are dealing with a headache.
We've got a tree later today that fell on a roof and it's got some severe roof damage.
Kilgore Shattuck considers himself lucky.
Looks like there's no cracks in the windshield, so that's good.
His walk to work this morning proved to be dangerous.
I saw several tree branches fall.
Huge tree limbs created hazards on sidewalks across the city. Dane has his work cut out for him.
It's my least favorite part too.
He says a little extra attention and annual maintenance to your trees can make all the difference.
Keep up with pruning, get all the dead wood out of there, have somebody come assess your trees to make sure that they're strong and they're not going to break off when the heavy snow comes.
And help ease up the cleanup.
Now, if you see trees like this blocking a sidewalk or roadway, you can call 311 to have them removed. In Denver, private property owners are responsible for downed trees on their private property and adjacent within the right-of-way. Now, the city is also asking people not to dispose of their tree debris at city parks. This cleanup is definitely going to take some time. You can see this weight of the snow on trees already bringing these down right here. Reporting live in Denver, Addie Guajardo, Denver 7.